Greetings, my name is Deer and I am coming to you on an educational spring morning. Yesterday we had patriotic gas, but today we have naming of parts. It is among my favorite war poems. It was written by Henry Reed.
最新の合格情報はホームページへ。秋季講習も受付中。お問い合わせは各スクールへお早めに。
Today we have naming of parts. Yesterday we had daily cleaning, and tomorrow morning we shall have what to do after firing. But today, we shall have naming of parts. Japonica glistens like coral in all of the neighbouring gardens, and today we have naming of parts. This is the lower sling swivel, and this is the upper sling swivel, whose use you will see when you are given your slings, and this is the piling swivel, which in your case you have not got. The branches hold in the gardens their silent, eloquent gestures, which in our case we have not got. This is the safety catch, which is always released with an easy flick of the thumb, and please do not let me see anyone using his finger. You can do it quite easy if you have any strength in your thumb. The blossoms are fragile and motionless, never letting anyone see any of them using their finger. And this, you can see, is the bolt. The purpose of this is to open the breech. As you see, we can slide it rapidly backwards and forwards. We call this easing the spring. And rapidly backwards and forwards, the early bees are assaulting and fumbling the flowers. They call it easing the spring. They call it easing the spring. It is perfectly easy if you have any strength in your thumb, like the bolt, and the breech, and the caulking piece, and the point of balance, which in our case we have not got, and the almond blossom, silent in all of the gardens, and the bees going backwards and forwards. For today, we have naming of parts.